Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Liverpool Cathedral and to this graduation ceremony of Liverpool John Moores University. You are very welcome to take photographs during the ceremony, but please do remain in your seats and do not stand in the aisles. And now, will you all please stand as we prepare to celebrate the achievements of the class of 2020.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please be seated? Vice-Chancellor, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Dean and Chapter, it is my very great pleasure to welcome you to the Cathedral on this very happy occasion, and a particularly warm welcome to those who are graduands and their guests, for whom we hope that this will be one of the great days of your life. And we are delighted that this should take place here in this great cathedral church. Liverpool Cathedral is one of the great buildings of the 20th century. It is the largest church in the United Kingdom, the largest Anglican cathedral anywhere, with the heaviest peal of bells in the tower up above where most of you are sitting tonight. But don't worry, I don't think they're going anywhere. And despite the best efforts of our friends at the Royal Albert Hall, it's us who have the largest pipe organ here in Great Britain. Now, all of this was designed by a young man at the beginning of his career as an architect, Giles Gilbert Scott. He was in his early 20s when he won the competition to build this great cathedral, a similar age to many of those who graduate today. And he would spend the rest of his life working on the design for this great space, refining it. And despite the devastation of 2 world wars and the many challenges which faced Liverpool during the century, he saw it slowly but surely take shape. Sadly, he didn't live to see his dream and plan complete, but his achievement was to give to us the inheritance of a breathtaking space which inspires awe and wonder and enables those who visit and come through its doors to encounter the God who knows and loves them. We at the Cathedral are proud of our significant partnership with Liverpool John Moores University, and we are pleased to add our congratulations to those whose dreams and plans and achievements are celebrated and honoured in the ceremony about to begin. So welcome to the cathedral, and on behalf of all of us here, we hope this is a day you will remember and treasure for many years to come. Thank you.
Good evening to our graduates and welcome to your graduation ceremony. I extend the same welcome to friends and family who are here in the audience and to all those who are here today. I am Professor Nduka Ekere, and I'm here today in my capacity as the Pro Vice Chancellor for the Faculty of Engineering and Technology at the Liverpool John Moores University. It is my great pleasure and honor to present your ceremony, and I stand alongside our Vice Chancellor, Mark Power, who is presiding over the ceremonies today, to congratulate our graduates who are graduating today. So we are really glad to see our graduates, their family and friends in the audience today. Graduates, what a great day. A day you will always remember for the rest of your life and your careers. Here we are today in this fantastic and majestic cathedral to celebrate you, our graduates, to celebrate your achievements, and to celebrate your success in your studies, and of course, to confer you with your awards. Graduation is a highlight of the academic life of our university. And I can tell you that for the 2020 class, it has been a long time in coming. We are all delighted that today we are able to recognize your achievements and, of course, to recognize your success. It's been 2 years since you have been waiting. So, graduates, you have waited for a long, long time for this moment. And we are all here to cheer you on as you graduate. And I believe there will be a lot of cheering and clapping here today. As our graduates walk across this platform, we'll be cheering them and congratulating them. And I'm now going to ask you to do a little bit of practice, if you don't mind. So let's start by applauding our graduates. Please, can you join me in applauding? Okay, I can see some of you were not clapping, so I'm going to do it again so that you get good practice for your own graduate. As he or she walks across the platform, you will be able to do it properly. Can you do it again, please? Applaud our graduates. Thank you so much. That was much, much better. Before I start, I think it's appropriate for me to acknowledge and thank the Cathedral, and in particular Canon Miles Davis, who have just opened the ceremony for us. This cathedral is a very special part of our university life, and we are grateful to the Dean and her team for their support all through the years. So we are glad to be here, and we are delighted with the support they are giving us for the ceremony. Secondly, I want to thank all those who are watching us at home, on their screens virtually from across the world, as we broadcast this ceremony from the cathedral today. You are most welcome to this particular ceremony, and we are glad you are able to join us. So thank you for joining us today, and we hope you will enjoy the ceremony. And now for our graduating students. I'm sure you know that this cathedral is filled with your friends and families. Although you can't see them, they are all in the audience, and they are going to be watching you as you graduate. I believe you have already thanked them for all the help and support that they gave you during your studies. I also believe you have thanked them for all the kindness they showed you and made that possible for you to be here today. So we are going to do the same thing we did earlier for the graduates. We are going to applaud and thank the friends and family in the audience. Please, can you join me as the graduates thank their family and friends, please? Okay, I'm sorry some of you did not clap. This is a big day for the friends and family. Please, can you join the graduates in applauding the friends and family, please? Okay, thank you. That was great. Now, graduation has often been described as a rite of passage. The word rite means something that is given, something that you simply are entitled to. But I'm sure the graduates here will confirm that that is not necessarily so. This is because not everyone can achieve what our graduates have achieved today. What they have achieved in terms of demonstrating commitment to their studies, their academic ability, the creative thought processes, and the presence of mind required to complete a degree program and to become a graduate of the Liverpool John Moores University. So our graduates have done exceedingly well. And for me personally, I want to congratulate you for your achievement, and I hope that you will continue to achieve in your careers as you move on in life. I hope that our graduates, their friends and family will enjoy the ceremony and the rest of the day. Please, I hope also that you will take time to take photographs and to capture every moment of today's event, and that you will be able to treasure those moments later in life. I also hope that you will keep in touch with the family and your friends that you met during your studies. Remember, these your friends are for life. And as you move on in life, you will need them. Please also remember to keep in touch with our university and the staff who helped you during your studies. You can do that through the Alumni Association in LJMU Connect. I look forward to seeing you as you come across the platform when the director of school calls you out. Enjoy your graduation experience. Believe me, no one does graduation better than Liverpool John Moores University. Have a fabulous day and enjoy your experience. Finally, I just want to now declare the ceremony open and invite Ped and Debbie, officers from our Students' Union, to come and light the ceremonial candles. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you.
Honourable Vice-Chancellor, in the name of the Academic Board, I now have the pleasure in presenting graduands from the School of Engineering. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in Computer Technology, Joshua Bourgade. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours Control and Automation Engineering, Louise Fielding. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours Control and Automation Engineering, Edwin Rocha. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours Electrical Electronic Engineering, Claire Baddeley. Merinan Camillus. Matthew Davies. Thomas Delaney. George Dunn. Keenan Mumba. Hannah O'Brien. Stephen Pearson. Thomas Woozy. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours Electrical Power Engineering, James Cogley. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours Manufacturing Systems Engineering, Thomas Code. Christopher Gibbs. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering, Isvan Sipos. Master of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Archibald Adji. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours Mechanical Engineering, Ibrahim Al-Buana. Raid Al-Sharani. Michael Beveridge. Emily Cooper. Piers David. Noel Fernando. Edward Greenup. Samuel Hall. Jacob Hodson. Alexander Johnson. William Madsen. Jordan McAllister. Kerry Meek. Oliver Mullins. Tinashe Charles Nyatsanza. Aaron O'Regan. Max Rogers. Callum Turner. Bachelor of Science with Honours, Audio and Music Production, Matthew Beasley. Klaus Espinosa Castro. Alice Forster. Caroline Froment. Sophie Johnson. Bachelor of Science with Honours, Maritime Business and Management, Marios Souris. Joyce T. Annie Hamini. Bachelor of Science with Honours, Nautical Science, Toby Percival. Bachelor of Science with Honours, Product Design Engineering, Bruno Agnaribo. Sean Basnett. Peter Cannon. Daniel Cook. Elliot Dunson. Bethany Holmes. Evie Mackay. Howard Moore. Mafurangan Nadarasinglam. Catherine Norris. Amy Parry. Sean Porter Lawson. Lydia Roberts. Edward Rudd. John Simeon Ryan Palmer. Jordan Smitten Cross. Jamie Southern. Chloe Thomas. Georgia Wilson. Benjamin Wright. This completes the first part of the presentation of graduates from the School of Engineering.
Ladies and gentlemen, graduates, friends and colleagues, good evening. My name is Mark Power and it is my great honour as your Vice-Chancellor to preside over your ceremony today and to say a few words to mark this occasion. Firstly, my personal congratulations to our graduates for finally achieving your graduation. You completed your studies in the most difficult of circumstances, and I'm sure I speak for everyone here in saying that you deserve to be here today to celebrate your success. Well done. Seated here with me on stage, as well as working around the cathedral, are the academic and support staff who played their role in helping our students to complete their studies. They do a fantastic job, and particularly over the last 2 years, they have gone above and beyond to find ways to help our students. So can I ask everyone to show their appreciation for the fantastic staff of Liverpool John Moores University. Thank you. Let me also just take a moment to speak about the place in which we find ourselves. This cathedral is our home, and it provides us with a magnificent backdrop for our graduations. And as we restart the ceremonial occasions, it is also a space where we can come together as a community to reflect upon the last 2 years. We're a homegrown university. We were born to play a part in the life of the city, to raise the aspirations of the citizens of Liverpool and to give back to the city when it needs us most. Over the last 2 years, we've witnessed how much our community, our students, our staff and our alumni lifted their head, their hearts and their hands to help those around us, the communities that needed us most. Whether it was in a professional capacity, such as the staff in the Faculty of Health who returned to nursing, our student nurses, other health practitioners working on the front line in the health services, our technicians turning laboratories into factories for making PPE, our police cadets keeping everyone safe, our teaching students and educators helping all of those families who suddenly faced homeschooling, even our sports scientists turning into Joe Wicks with helpful online tips for keeping us mentally and physically fit. And of course, there are students here today who volunteered to help in a variety of ways. It was a great self-motivated movement, driven by a passion to help others, and I have never felt prouder of our Liverpool John Moores University family as I have over the last 2 years. We are a close-knit community, and I know that everyone present here today has been affected by what has happened over the last 2 years. So as we come back together today to celebrate our students and their achievements, let's just observe a moment's silence to remember those who sacrificed so much during the pandemic. Thank you. So what have we learned over the last couple of years? In this ever-changing world, there are some things that remain the same and become more important because of their permanence. Liverpool John Moores University is one of those institutions. We are a constant and positive presence, and we will be your anchor just as we are in the city. And although you finished the university 2 years ago, you will always be part of our story. Your name in the graduation brochure is more than a list of your completing cohort. Your name is recorded for posterity in our history and stored within our formal archives. Next year, we celebrate our bicentenary, our own milestone as a university. Back in 1823, the leaders of Liverpool assembled to create the Mechanics Institute, with a mission to offer accessible education to the workers in the city. Championed by forward-thinking citizens with the motto, "We are born not for ourselves alone, but for the whole world." The Mechanics Institute was founded with the aim of transformation, first of the individual, and through those individuals of communities, cities, and the world. And today we remain true to this heritage. Our mission, rooted in our place in the city, and the service we provide to our students and our communities, reflects our ongoing commitment to the transforming power of education and the themes of innovation, aspiration, and inspiration that have echoed across the last 200 years. This is also true of our enduring relationship with the city, Liverpool, whose history over the same 200 years as an enterprising global port has marked it with the same resourcefulness and outward-facing approach. So what does all this have to do with today? Well, 200 years later, you are following in the footsteps of the generations that have gone before you. A graduate of Liverpool John Moores University is open to experiences and opportunities. You are all here today because you are independent of thought, you dreamt of this moment, you have applied yourselves, worked hard, and used your talents. Some of you are now settled in the next part of your professional journey. Some of you have returned to study for masters, PhD or doctorate, and some have used the experience of the last 2 years to reevaluate and change direction. We have all been changed by our shared experience, and again, from the solid foundation of our university, we have the chance to look up and dream about what could be possible in this altered and evolving world. You were completing your studies when the world changed, but that didn't stop you. You focused on achieving your goal, and whilst the world may seem a smaller place over the last 2 years, that hasn't stopped you. You have all demonstrated a remarkable tenacity in completing your studies in the face of great challenge, and we salute your resilience and focus. Remembering our roots and the motto of the Mechanics Institute, we are born not for ourselves alone, but for the whole world. Every one of you has the chance to make a difference in your professional work and the way you live your life. And I want to encourage you to follow a path that makes you happy and follow that path with integrity and purpose. After the next session, I will confer your degrees. So I implore you all to take lots of pictures today, send them around the world, and let everyone know that we are celebrating. Liverpool is celebrating, and you have made us all proud. Well done. So in wishing you every success for the future, I urge you to be bold, be confident, and to pursue your dreams, not for yourselves alone, but for the whole world. And at Liverpool John Moores University, we will be with you all of the way. I hope you enjoy this very special day. Best of luck to you all. And I now invite Dr. John Marsland to continue with the formal proceedings. Thank you.
Honourable Vice-Chancellor, in the name of the Academic Board, I now have the pleasure in presenting further graduates from the School of Engineering. Master of Engineering, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Salek Ahmed. Ikra Aslam. Alex Collins. Thomas Geegan. Stephen Heaton. Kiva Macrino. Callum Murphy. Master of Engineering, Electronic Engineering, Ogenefi Otobrizi. Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering, Andrew Burgess. Joseph McMinn. Master of Engineering, Mechanical and Marine Engineering, Callum Chappell. Stuart Doughty. Thomas Henry. David Hitchmo. Ian Howie. James Nielsen. Jordan Pratt. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours Mechanical Engineering, Megan Alcock. Master of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Alistair Black. Thomas Black. Robert Bowen. Mark Campbell. Jessame Canas. Christian Chalmers. Daniel Collier. Daniel Duke. Jax Dwerden. Edward Graham. Patrick Hoyle. Louis Keeley. Toby Kerwin. Gerald Matza. Callum McCusker. Joseph Morris. Elliot Newell. Lorian Nolan. Alexander Overton. Bradley Owen. Christopher Parker. Marcus Pearson. Kieran Pitt. Joseph Pownell. George Sims. Luke Wagner. Ben Wilkinson. Master of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering with Management, Ruben Singh. Master of Science, International Transport, Trade and Logistics, Carter Hightam. Lot van der Goeten. Master of Science, Marine and Offshore Engineering, George Hughes. Yutabakiwu Ushi. Master of Science, Maritime Operations Management, Ahmed Hussain. Flaviana Laureato de Lima. Mood Eurus. Master of Science, Port Management, Krishna Suprayan. Master of Science, Risk and Safety Management, having followed a programme of study at Risk Tech Solutions, David Balfour. Doctor of Philosophy in Electronic and Electrical Engineering, with a dissertation entitled Proposing Factors Towards a Standardised Testing Environment for Binaural and 3D Sound Systems, Sebastian Chandler Gurninij. Doctor of Philosophy, General Engineering Research Institute, with a dissertation Laser Surface Texturing to Create Biomimetic Surface Topographies for Maritime Anti-Fouling Efficacy Testing, Rosie Horner. Doctor of Philosophy, General Engineering Research Institute, with a dissertation and investigation into vibratory grinding of hard-to-machine aerospace materials, Elzadik Ibrahim. Doctor of Philosophy, General Engineering Research Institute, with a dissertation Quantitative Analysis and Nonlinear Probabilistic State Estimation Filters for Deployment on Dynamic Unmanned Systems, Benjamin McLaughlin. Doctor of Philosophy, General Engineering Research Institute, with a dissertation Generalized State Estimators for Robotic Platforms through the use of improved sensor characterization and variance modeling, Harry Poynton. Doctor of Philosophy, Maritime and Mechanical Engineering, for a dissertation entitled Human Factors in Maritime Transportation and Mental Workload Analysis for Seafarers in Bridge Simulation, Shiki Fan. Doctor of Philosophy, Mechanical Engineering, for a dissertation Experimental and Numerical Investigation of Droplet Formation and Material Interactions under Different Conditions, Khalid Al-Badani. Doctor of Philosophy, the School of Engineering, Technology and Maritime Operations for a dissertation entitled Optimization of Macroscale Functional Surfaces through Numerical Investigation of Naturally Occurring Bed Forms, Philip Taylor. This completes the presentation of graduands from the School of Engineering.
Vice-Chancellor, ladies and gentlemen, graduands, well done. I promise we are almost there now. The ceremonies this week are unique and special in so many ways, but the important part will happen in just a few moments when the Vice-Chancellor will ask you to stand and he will declare that you are all now graduates of the university. Like you, my graduation was postponed. I was due to graduate in 2021 and I'm looking forward to an amazing graduation this July. However, you've been a graduate for 2 years already, and being here today, being part of this event, it somehow makes it surreal. You know you've finally made it. So please make the most of today, take plenty of photos, and if your parents ask for an extra photo, just do it, because a happy mum is a happy life, believe me. Those final few moments of my degree are still firmly imprinted in my memory. I haven't forgotten the all-nighters, the deadlines, the doubts and frustrations, and then the moments of clarity when you hand your work in and everything finally makes sense again. You can all take a deep breath now. Your hard work has paid off and you're finally able to enjoy the recognition that you deserve. You've absolutely earned all the praise that you get today, so soak it up and cherish the moments with your family and loved ones. And you might not realise it yet, but your success is an inspiration to those that are even thinking about going to university. Every one of you has lived through something exceptional, has an incredible story to tell about resilience, determination, friendship and also hardship. Our university's vision and values state that the world is changing at an incredible speed, and in order not to be left behind, we must embrace effective, impactful change, even when this feels uncomfortable. So I wish to tell you this today. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living somebody else's life. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most importantly, have the courage to follow your heart and your intuition. We are born not just for ourselves, but for the whole world. Go out and make a difference. It is a privilege for me today to be stood here to represent the students on behalf of the Students' Union, JMSU. JMSU works hand in hand at the highest levels of the university to make sure that this continues to be a great institution and that a degree from LJMU is something that you can be proud of as you go out into the world. As you leave here today, you're not only graduates and alumni, you're also ambassadors for this amazing university. You're part of this university story as LJMU is a part of yours. Your relationship with each other and with the university doesn't, and it genuinely shouldn't end as you leave the cathedral here today, because from your very first day as a student to this day and beyond, you are a member of the LJMU community and the family. And we would love it if you kept in touch with JMSU and LJMU. It is fitting that we start this ceremony by lighting 2 candles. One representing our foundations in 1823, and the other is a witness of the achievements of you, our students, our graduates today. And it is my honour to have the last formal speech of the ceremony and to offer my congratulations to you, the class of 2020, so give yourselves a massive round of applause.
Could I ask the graduands to please stand? By the powers vested in me by the Board of Governors and the Academic Board, I bestow upon you the awards to which you are entitled. I congratulate you and you are now graduates of Liverpool John Moores University. Congratulations. Before I bring the proceedings to an end, can I just say a huge thank you to Professor Ian Tracy, the university organist who's up there, who's accompanied us throughout the whole ceremony. Thank you, Ian. I hope that you've enjoyed this evening's ceremony. I hope you go on and enjoy yourselves the rest of the evening. I wish you a safe journey home. And I bring the ceremony to a conclusion. Could I ask you to please stand while the party departs the stage? Thank you.